Hey, what's up guys, Rihanna here, and today I'll be showing you how to set up Gen 13 Maglev. But before getting into the video, let me give you some piece of advice. Well, to be honest, I don't like this cube at all, and you ask me why? Because when there is Tornado V3 in the market, why would you like to buy a cube like that? I mean, the Tornado V3 is cheaper, and on top of that, it has better performance, so buy a cube like that, or even Gen 14, it's not reasonable at all. I mean, it's kind of wasting money. Anyway, I think that's enough. Let's just get into the setup tutorial. Alright, for adjusting the center travel, just use the inner numbers. Put the tool into one of these little slots and then turn it clockwise. Just like that. And if you would like to know, I prefer number 3. Oh, by the way, these little slots shows you the current setting. For instance, mine is on number 3. And if you don't know what the hell is center travel, well, that affects on corner cutting and anti-pop. And number 1 gives you the least corner cutting, and number 6 gives you the most corner cutting. For adjusting the tension, that means how tight your cube feels, use the outer numbers and put the tool between one of these little holes and turn it clockwise. Just like that. And the larger the number, the tighter the cube feels. And these two little things shows you the current setting. Well, I prefer number 4. And for adjusting the magnets, which is really easy, just use the tool, put it right there, and then turn it this way. Let me show you, I think it's not clear. Alright. Come here. Alright, put it right there, and then turn it like that. Well, I prefer number 2. Alright, there's something important, let me show you. When you turn one side, these two will turn as well. So that's really good. There is no need to turn all the sides separately. Just turn one side and these two will turn as well. I tried my best to cover everything you need to know on setting up this cube, so let's try to get into the best part of the video. Well, the cue feels so much better now. Just give this setup a try and let me know in comments what you are thinking about this setup. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, but don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, tips and tricks, and catch you later.